Hello everybody, here I am in Dunedin, Florida. It's a little suburb of Tampa in case you have problems finding it. I know they're going to get really pissed when they hear this. Marina's that way. This is a Saturday fresh food market. It's right behind you there. This is Pinellas Trail. Right now I'm in what they call the Dunedin Market, Dunedin Downtown Market. It's in Clearwater's that way, Newport Richie's that way, Tampa's that way. You guys need to come and visit this town. You can walk or you can ride your bike so come and enjoy.
See the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through. Make those rainbows in my mind. When the sun rises, I wanna be the one with you, just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Two of us, you and I. Two of us, building castles in the sky. Two of us, you and you're not